I
I, Francis Cheese G. Escudero,
solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that in all things appertaining to
that in all things appertaining to
the trial of the impeachment of
the trial of the impeachment of
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
now pending,
now pending,
I will do impartial justice
I will do impartial justice
according to the Constitution
according to the Constitution
and laws of the Philippines.
and laws of the Philippines.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. President,
The Honorable Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I reiterate my previous motion, Mr. President? Mr. President, I move that the Senate Secretary, Mr. President, I move that the Senate President will now take his oath as the presiding officer of the impeachment proceedings, Mr. President. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none. Motion is the motion is approved. Chair would like to call on the Senate Secretary to ascend the rostrum to administer the oath.
Sir, dito kayo, sir. Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Sir.
Okay na, sir. Importante kayo naman din.
I, Francis Cheese G. Escudero,
Solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that in all things appertaining to
that in all things appertaining to
the trial of the impeachment of
the trial of the impeachment of
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
now pending,
I
will do impartial justice
I will do impartial justice
according to the Constitution
according to the Constitution
and laws of the Philippines.
and laws of the Philippines.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Po kayo na bumalik doon sa posisyon ng Senate President, considering na ang daming issue ngayon sa Senate, nandiyan pa yung impeachment kay VP Sara.
Oo, hindi. Kaya nga siguro ako, lalo akong kinoconsider ko na pag ako'y inalok nila or ako'y tinulak nila, tatanggapin ko talaga sapagkat nakikita ko maraming dapat ituwid eh. Maraming dapat i-correct eh sa takbo ng Senado nitong nakaraang taon eh. Medyo nasisira ang reputasyon ng Senado eh. Doon ako kinakabahan. I've been there for 24 years. There is a special place in my heart for the Senate. Kaya naiinis ako at nalulungkot ako pagka naririnig ko na maraming reklamo ang iba't ibang mga tao.
Ano po yung sinasabi ninyo, Tito Sen, na kailangang i-correct?
Well, una sa lahat, itong issue ng impeachment, whether carry over o hindi ito, may rules ng impeachment rules, impeachment court, mayroong impeachment rules, mayroon ding rules ang Senate rules, Pero all this would have been avoided kung noong February 5 natanggap ng Senate President or ng Secretariat yung articles of impeachment. Ang dapat ginawa ng leadership ng Senate, ni-refer sa floor, dinala sa floor at ni-refer sa Committee on Rules. So, from February 5, alas 7 pa sila, alas 4 ng hapon nila natanggap eh. Alas 7 ng gabi nag-adjourn sila eh. They had 3 hours. You only need to do is 15 seconds to refer it to any committee. So, kaya hanggang ngayon, medyo naguguluhan sila sa usapin. Kailan iti-take up yan? June 2, June 3, hindi pa rin nire-refer. It's still in the hands of the Senate President. Hindi tama yun eh. Yeah. Ang kailangan dun, once you receive the articles of impeachment from the other house, which is our counterpart, dapat yun, hindi mo lang i-report sa floor, dapat yun, i-refer mo sa Committee on Rules. So, that is the basic way of doing it. At yung Committee on Rules, during that time, from February 6 onwards, pwedeng talakayin kung ito ba, rekomendasyon nila, mag-impeachment court tayo or mag-constitute tayo because the members of the Committee on Rules are members of the Senate at usually majority sila. Hindi pwedeng unilateral na ang Senate President lang ang nag-decision ng gagawin. Because the Senate President is not the Senate. He
Yes.
is merely the presiding officer. Ganun ang sinasabi ko. So that's